Today, we're going to learn how to subtract integers using subtraction rules. So we have KAO that we're going to use to help you with subtraction. K stands for keep, A stands for add, O stands for opposite. So basically, we change all subtraction to addition. Yesterday, we have practiced a lot of addition. So today, we're going to turn a subtraction problem to addition using KAO. So we have problem -5 minus 7. So we have -5. We're going to keep the first number. We're going to change from subtraction to addition. And then we're going to do opposite of number 7 is -7. So now we have keep, add, opposite. So now it become addition problem. Same side, add and keep, different side, subtract. So this is same side because -5 and -7. So we add and keep the side. So that's your answer. Okay, we use the adding rules for this. Let's practice 1 to 6. We're gonna convert, and we're gonna change all subtraction to addition. Number 1, -8 minus 14. KAO. Keep the first number. Change subtraction to addition. What is the opposite of 14? Opposite of 14 is -14. Are they same side or different side? They are both the same side, right? So we're going to add them up and keep. Excuse me. Number 2. This is subtraction problem, so I will use KAO. Keep, add. What is the opposite of -21? Just 21. So 5 add 21, 26. Number 3, 30 minus 5. You know this is going to be equal to 25, right? This is whole number, so we did learn how to do it. But let's see, is KAO going to work? KAO. Keep the first number, change subtraction to addition. What is the opposite of 5? -5. So now they become addition. So they are different side. We subtract, keep the side of higher number. 30 is greater than 5, so the answer is positive. Number 4. Are they same side or they are different side? Oh, not yet. We need to convert subtraction to addition. Because this is subtraction, so I need to convert to addition. KAO. Keep the first number, change subtraction to addition. What is the opposite of -5? 5. Now it's become addition, so we're gonna add. Same side, add and keep, different side, subtract. So they are different side, we're gonna subtract. What is 7 minus 5? 2. Keep the side of higher number. So the side of higher number is 7, so it's -2 will be the answer. Number 5. Subtraction problem, use KAO. Keep, add, opposite. Opposite of -17 will be 17. So 10 plus 17, 27. Same side, add and keep. So they are both positive. Number 6, -12 minus 4. KAO. Whenever you see subtraction, we use KAO. keep, add. The opposite of 4 is -4. So are they same side or they are different side? Same, right? So same side we add and keep. So we got everything done for subtraction rules.